Got the new diaphragm for the PCV valve, and I got the new O-ring for the distributor. So I cleaned up the innards of the PCV. And taking Tush's suggestion that I should have painted the center stripe or the center piece of the alternator in the same color as the caliper, I decided to paint the coil bracket copper as well. I don't know. Adds a little more color, I guess. Can always be changed. Later. Well, end of another day. Spent most of the day sandblasting, brushing, cleaning, painting miscellaneous pieces. Like I found the other vacuum hose fitting, put that on. See, I already showed you the coil, got that on. Oh, I did get the valve cover clean. It's not perfect. It's got some discoloration on the back, but it's got its original cap. But it will do. It is good enough, I believe. I reassembled the PCV valve, got that all done. And my brother, working on the rocker arm, or the rockers. He got them spot welded in on the top. Still got to put the floor in. And we got the floor out here ready to go in. And I spent the day cleaning and painting miscellaneous pieces like the dip switch, water bottle holder, transmission mount. A lot of busy work. Yeah, got the inner rocker. Of course, it goes in with the outer rocker, but yeah, that's in now. So just the floor, and we'll be basically done with the cockpit. And then I'll cut the trunk out. We got a new trunk floor. And that's pretty much it for today. Later.